Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you be safe by God's grace. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, students, what we learned in your previous class? Human eye, structure of human eye, working of human eye. Next, defects in human eye. Okay, so these two common defects, myopia and hypermetropia. So now we enter into the new one as presbyopia. What does mean by presbyopia? So, presbyopia means due to aging, ciliary muscles became weak and the eye lens became rigid. The eye lens is a flexible one. This flexible is changed into inflexible. Okay. So the eye lost its power of accommodation. And so eye lost the power of accommodation. This is called the presbyopia. Okay, because of this an aged persons cannot see the nearby objects clearly, so it is called as old age hypermetropia. So an aged person cannot see the nearby objects clearly, so it is called a old age hypermetropia. Okay, so some person may have both the defects of vision, myopia as well as hypermetropia. This can be corrected by bifocal lenses in which upper part consists of concave lens used for distance vision and the lower part consists of convex lens used for reading purposes. Okay, so some persons may have a both defects, so they use the bifocal lens. So upper part is a consist of concave, upper part is consist concave and lower part consist convex lens. Concave lens is used to distance vision, so clear distance vision. Convex lens used for the nearby visions. Okay, so next one is astigmatism. What is astigmatism? In this defect, I cannot see parallel and horizontal lines clearly. Okay, it may be inherited or acquired. It is due to the imperfect structure of eye lens because of the development of the cataract on the lens. What is mean by cataract? So next one is ulceration of cornea. Next, injury to the refracting surface, etc. Astigmatism can be corrected by using cylindrical lenses. So these are the produced in eye. Okay, so the cataract means in தமிழ் is புரை கண்புரை அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா. ஸோ அதுதான் அந்த நோய் தான் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னாக்க, அது மட்டும் கிடையாது, நம்மளோட ரிஃப்ராக்டிங் சர்ஃபேஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா. ஸோ அதுவும் என்ன ஆகிடும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாக்க இன்ஜூர் ஆகும். ஸோ அதுக்கு தான் என்ன பேர் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாக்கா astigmatism. This astigmatism can be corrected by using a cylindrical lens. Okay students, now we enter into a microscope. What is microscope? This is an optical instrument which help us to see tiny object. It is classified as simple microscope. Second one is compound microscope. What is simple microscope? Simple microscope has a convex lens of short focal length. It is held near the eye to get enlarged image of small objects. This microscope, already we know that microscope is a magnifying things. Okay, so this have two types. One is a simple microscope, another one is a compound microscope. The simple microscope has a convex lens. Okay, this is the short focal length. So convex lens is a short focal length. It is held near the eye to get the enlarged image of the small objects. Okay, next one, let an object AB. Okay, it is placed at a point within the principal focus of the convex lens and the observer's eyes is placed just behind. Okay, so just behind. So the lens, just behind the lens, as per this positions, the convex lens produces an erect, okay, virtual and enlarged images. The image formed is in the same side of the object and the distance equal to the least distance of distinct vision. Okay, so distinct visions is equal to the least distance means 25 centimeter. Okay, So the for normal human eye, D is equal to 25 centimeters. Next one, uses of simple microscope. The simple microscopes used, where it is used, why it is used means by watched repairers and jewelers. Okay. Next one, to read small letters clearly. Third one, to observe parts of flower, insects, etc. Fourth one, to observe fingerprints in the field of forensic science. So these are the use of simple microscope. Next one is a compound microscope. Compound microscope is also used to see the tiny objects. It has better magnification power than small microscope. Magnification power of microscopes can be increased by decreasing the focal length of lens used. Due to the construction limitations, the focal length of the lens cannot be decreased beyond a certain limit. This problem can be solved by using two separate biconvex lenses. Okay, so next one is a construction. First one is a introduction is a compound microscope. Second one is a construction. A compound microscope consists of two convex lenses. It have a two convex lenses. The lens with the shortened focal length, already we know that convex lenses are used for shorter focal length. Okay, so the length with the shorter focal length is placed near the object and is called as objective lens. Okay, the or objective piece. The lens with larger focal length and the larger aperture placed near the observer's eye is called as a eye lens or eyepiece. So one is a nearby object, another one is nearby eye. Okay, so both the lens are fixed in a narrow tube with adjustable provisions. Okay, so the both the lenses are fixed in the narrow tube with adjustable provisions. Okay, next one is working. The object is placed, the object means AB is placed at a distance slightly greater than the focal length of objective lens, that is U smaller than FO. A real inverted and imagined a real inverted and magnified image A dash B is formed at the other. Okay, next is the object lens. The image behaves as the object for the eye lens. The positions of the eye lens is adjusted in such a way that the image A dash B dash, okay, this image is A dash B dash fall within the principal focus of the eyepieces. This eyepiece forms a virtual enlarged and erect images on the same side of the object. Compound microscope has 50 to 200 times more magnification power than the simple microscopes. This simple microscope, the compound microscope have the magnification power is 550 to 200 centimeters more, 200 times more than simple microscope. Okay, next one, traveling microscope. A traveling microscope is one of the best instrument for measuring very small length with high degree of accuracy at the order of 0.01 mm. It works based on the vernier principle of vernier. Its least count is 0.01 mm. The traveling microscope is one of the best instrument for measuring the very small length. It is used in the vernier instrument, you know that. So it is the based on the principle of vernier. Its least count is 0.01 mm. Next one is a telescope. Have you seen the recent lunar eclipse? With your naked eye, we cannot visualize the phenomenon distinctly. Then how can we see the distance object in clearly manner? It is possible with the telescope. Yes, the telescope is an optical instrument to see the distance object. The first telescope was invented by John Lippershey in 1608. Then Galileo made a telescope to observe distant stars. He got he got the idea from a Specklemaker who one day observed that the distant weathercock appeared magnified through his lens system. Fitted in his shop, Galileo observed the satellites of Jupiter and the rings of the Saturn through his telescope. Kepler invented telescope 1611, which was fundamentally similar to the astronomical telescope. Okay, so first telescope is an optical instrument. Okay, to see why it is used, what is the use means, it is a to see the distance object. The first telescope was invented by Johanna Leprasi in 1608. So then after this Galileo made a telescope to observe the distant stars. So he got the idea. So Galileo got the idea from the Specklemaker who one day observed the distance weathercock. Okay, appeared the magnified through his the lens system. Fitted in his shop, Galileo observed the satellite of Jupiter. So Galileo observed the satellite of the Jupiter and the rings of the Saturn through this telescope. Okay, the Kepler invented the telescope in 1611, which the fundamental similar to the astronomical telescope. Next one, types of telescope. According to the optical property, it is classified in two groups. Okay, so optical property, the telescope consists the optical property. It has a classified in two groups. First one is refracting telescope. Next one is reflecting telescope. What is meant by refracting? What is meant by reflecting? Already we know in the first part. Okay, so reflecting telescope means lens are used Galilean telescope, Keplerian telescope, achromatic refractors or some refracting telescope. In reflecting telescope, parabolic mirrors are used, Gregorian, Newton, Cassegrain telescope or some reflecting telescope. According to the things which are observed, astronomical telescope and the terrestrial telescope are the two major types of telescope. Okay, next one is the astronomical telescope. What is astronomical telescope? The astronomical telescope is used to view the heavenly bodies. What is the heavenly bodies? Already we know in primary classes and the primary classes and then secondary classes also. So heavenly bodies means like star, planet, galaxies and satellites. These are the heavenly bodies. Okay, so these heavenly bodies, how we can the heavenly bodies means this used astronomical telescope. Okay, next terrestrial telescope means this image is an astronomical telescope is inverted. Okay, so it is not suitable for viewing objects on the surface of the earth. Therefore a terrestrial telescope is used. It provides an erect image. The major difference between astronomical and terrestrial telescope is erecting the final image with respect to the object. Okay, next one is the advantages of telescope. What is the advantages? So elaborated view on a galaxies, planets, stars and other heavenly bodies is possible. Next point is camera can be attached for taking photograph for the celestial object. Third one is telescope can be viewed even with the low intensity of light. So these three advantages have the telescopes. Once we have the advantage, the this telescope have a disadvantages also. What is that? First one disadvantage is frequently maintenance needed. Second one, it is not easily portable. Okay, these are the disadvantage of telescope. Okay students, this lesson is over. So please watch the video. Okay students.